Cancer no dey look person face before e come o. My people, my name na Dr. Toyin. If you get things like screening program, something like smear test, if you go on time, you go come see the cancer on time before e spread. Cancer fit affect any part of your body. So if you get some things like if pain dey every time e no dey go, if you get swelling wey no dey go, if you get something for your skin wey no dey heal, if you dey cough e no dey go, if you get problem with your bowel wey no dey heal, if you just get water or fluid from your body wey no nice, or if you just dey lose weight anyhow, make you go see health person. If your person get cancer, e no easy. So even if na just to dey call dem time to time, make you dey talk to dem. My people, make we try reduce this cancer. If anything dey wrong with your body, abeg go see health person on time. If dem get screening program, abeg go do am. Make we try reduce this cancer. And until next time, smile because e dey healthy. Una bye bye o.